This land feels powerful, but something is not right. We must remember who we serve, no matter where we are. The king demands loyalty, but not to the true God. We will not bow to anything but him. Do you think we will be tested here? Our faith is always being tested.
Estamos juntos, não importa o que aconteça. Juntos, nós não cairemos.
This kingdom is strong, but our God is greater. And he will stand with us. Something is coming. I can feel it. Then we will face it with faith.
My kingdom, unmatched, unstoppable. All nations will bow to my power. Prepare the statue. It will show my greatness. Yes, my king. Pull! Lift it higher! The king wants it taller.
What are they building?
Yeah?
Something meant to be worshipped. An idol made by men. They will force everyone to bow.
Want to see what happens next in the full movie? It's all in the first link in the description. Go watch it right now. And hey, comment below. What Bible story do you want us to animate next? Your vote decides the next film. If you're loving this, smash that like and subscribe so you never miss it.
It's becoming massive. The king will be pleased. This will show the world my glory. None will defy me.
This is not just pride. It's a command.
Yeah.
Then we must prepare our hearts. Are you afraid? I trust God more than my fear. No matter what happens, we stay faithful. Together, we stand.
Behold, the greatest symbol of my power. Glory to the king! When the music plays, everyone will bow. Yes, my king!
This is it, the moment. We already chose who we serve. No matter the cost, we will not bow.
Get ready! The signal is coming! Everyone must bow!
Stand firm.
We don't know it.
We do not bow.
Look upon this image and remember my greatness. All Babylon will obey! When the sound rises, every knee must bend. No one will stand against my command. Hear the decree. Bow when the music begins. Anyone who refuses will face the fire.
The command is clear, but our answer is clear too. We belong to the Lord, not to fear. They may threaten us with fire, but fire cannot rule a faithful heart.
Let the music come!
We will stand for God.
Everyone in position! Face the statue! Prepare to bow at the sound! Let the sound be heard across the land. Now, bow before me. Bow! Bow before the king! Honor the king!
Everyone has bowed, but we will stand. God is with us. We will not bow.
Nós defendemos o verdadeiro Deus.
Wrong.
Nenhum rei pode mudar isso.
Wait, not everyone bowed?
Look over there!
Those three are still standing.
If you love this story, like this video right now, leave a comment telling us your favorite part, and subscribe so God's greatest stories keep coming to you every week. And to watch the full animated movie, click the first link in the description or the first pinned comment below. The complete film is there waiting for you. Don't miss it.
Resist me. My king, 3 men did not bow.
What did you say?
Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego, my king. Bring them to me. Now.
Move! The king demands your presence. We will stand before him. Is it true that you refuse me? We serve the true God.
Bow now, and I will spare you. Refuse, and you will burn.
We do not need to defend ourselves. Our God can save us. But even if he does not, we will never bow to your image.
You dare defy me? Heat the furnace 7 times hotter. Bind them. They will learn their place. At once, my king!
You will answer for this. We already have. Stay strong. God is with us. It's too hot! No one survives that. This is where faith stands. Into his hands.
Forward!
Into the fire! We trust you, God. Throw them in!
Into your hands.
The heat! It's unbearable! Stay back!
No one survives my fire. They are finished. Wait. What is that? I see movement? That's impossible.